Alright guys, have you ever tried to drain your hot water heater and it just wasn't working right? Or maybe you've never drained one and want to learn how to do it. Watch this. First thing you got to do is turn off the breaker. Yeah, we found this painting that covers our breaker box almost perfectly. Can't see it at all, and that should come all the way to the corner here. You can see the edge here, but if you're standing here, it disappears. Pretty neat. It's an idea for you. Even if you turn the breaker off, you're going to want to check it with the meter. Make sure you don't get zapped. Okay, you've done everything. You've got the electricity shut off at the breaker box. You checked it with your meter. You've got the incoming water turned off. You've got a sink, hot water turned on. You've got your hose hooked up down here at the bottom. But nothing's happening. You unscrewed the valve with your screwdriver, but there's no water coming out. It's because there's so much sediment at the bottom of your tank, it's clogged it up. So here's a quick trick. Just go to your water inlet for your hot water heater. Bump it on and off a few times. And then let's go see if it's working. Boom, there it is. It wasn't draining. So I just pumped the hot water on and off. Cleared out that stuck valve. Got her working. You can see all the sediment. See all those white things? All that buildup. Here's some more of it. The water's slowly coming out still. Well, that worked better than I expected. Awesome. Bye guys. Be good to each other. Dun dun dun!